to my channel. I'm your girl Becca Mahida Miller, aka Becca. I hope you have already liked and subscribed to my channel, and also to hit the bell so you don't miss this video. So today I'm going to be doing my first hair tutorial about how I deep condition my hair naturally. So this is only for natural hair, guys. I don't recommend doing it in cream hair, yeah, so or processed hair, but natural hair, like, yeah. So basically, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment if you like, and yeah, you can do this at home, buy the products in the supermarket or the wholesale or order it online. And basically, yeah, I'm gonna deep condition my hair today. Like, you see how I look mad? So if you don't want to miss the rest of this video, stay tuned, continue watching, and hit the thumbs up, please. Yeah, after this video is finished. So the first product I will be using is the Cantu leave-in conditioner. This Cantu leave-in conditioner basically repairs hair breakage and leave hair soft and manageable. And because I have a little bit of it left in there, I'm just gonna mix all the products in there. I'm gonna also be using the castor oil. Castor oil, it basically treats dandruff, it thickens hair, it reduces split ends, encourages regrowth, it controls hair fall, it improves blood circulation, etc. Olive oil, it's loaded with vitamin, minerals, and antioxidants. It helps to attach or retain moisture in the hair. It stimulates the growth and it protects the hair from strong rays of the sun and dirt. The egg that I'm going to be throwing out in the container, it promotes hair growth. It is often referred to as hair food, and it imparts sufficient fatty acid, nutrients, and protein to your hair. It reduces hair loss, and basically it eradicates dryness and breakage. It controls dandruff also, and it improves hair elasticity, condition, and it adds shine to the hair. So I'm basically mixing around the products, that is the egg and the Cantu leave-in conditioner, because you know when you're cooking egg you have to mix it around so that it basically, yes. Next thing I'm gonna be putting in the container is the castor oil. And continue mixing. And then the olive oil. And then I continue mix again. Basically what I'm going to be doing here is to section my hair in parts so that I can best manage the hair while applying the deep condition to it. This is the result after putting the deep conditioner in my hair. I'm going to put the steam cap on my hair and go under the dryer for about 15 minutes and then remove the steam cap and let it stay for 15 more minutes. And then wash up my hair, and also I will be doing a shiny bob.